Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. We came here because they're having a sale. I believe it's 25% off. Then after this we will be going to Goodwill. And this weekend, stay tuned because we will be going to some estate sales. Alright, let's get in there and see what we can find for a resale. Alright, here we go. Let's start over here. Let's see what this is. Look how cool that looks. Wide fireman. Oh, it flips open like a bowl. Oh, I like that. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, it's Department 56. And there's some damage. Let's see what's on this table. Oh, some nutcrackers. Are they nutcrackers? No, they're candlestick holders. For $1. I like that one. Drummer and the made in China. I think I'll get these. I feel like that would sell. Alright, I think today's gonna be a Christmas day. Let's see what we have in the ornaments. Ooh, a Monopoly. Hallmark. 25 cents, I'll get that. Let's see what this Santa is. Yeah, how about this one? Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Oh, 1986 or date of birth. I think I'll leave that. Russia. I'll take the chance for 25 cents. Let's see about that one. Puppy love. My God. I'm gonna get that too. It looks cute with the doggy in the basket. What else do we have in here? 1983. Ooh, snow globe. White Christmas. I'll leave that. It almost looks like it would be Lennox. Ooh, it is. I'll get that too. Alright, that's enough ornaments. Hold on. Yeah, that's enough. Alright, let's see what we have in the plates and bowls. We have more restaurant ware. I kind of like the ship. Sterling. We got the ship. It's a nice pattern. I believe I looked this one up last time. It didn't go for too much. More sterling, yep. You can always tell what restaurant ware because it's heavy. There's usually a name on it. This one too. Oh, I almost dropped that. Bass and Bass, New York. Oh, these look French. I like the green and then they have the orange. There's no name on it. So I'm gonna leave those. Let's see what this is. J&G Meccan, England. That is $8. I like the green with the gold and the handles. So I'm gonna put that in my cart and think about it. Wait, no.
Okay, so I found one of these. It's Fitz and Floyd Omnibus for $2. I found this glass, I don't know, Bud Vase. I don't know if you could read that. And I saw these. These are made in Germany. I can't really make out what the brand is, but they look antique, so 50 cents each. Got a deal.
Let's see what we got down here. This looks African. No name on it. They're $2.50 each. What is this one? Got the man and the lady. I kind of like the texture on that. I can't read that. I think I'll pass. I like it though. They look like they're kissing. Ooh, 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 look what I found.
That's nice.
Dorothythorpe Pitcher. I never saw one. Never seen one before. Ooh, I don't see any damage. Yeah, I barely see any scratches either. I'm gonna get that for $2.50. No cracks. I have to make sure I start looking at any kind of damage before I buy it. And then I found this art glass pitcher Bud Vase. It's a yellow satin, a diamond optic pattern. I believe it's Mountain Washington glass. So it's $5. I'm gonna take a chance on that.
And I found this.
Ooh,
Mr. Coffee Cocoa Maker. I looked up the comps. Brand new. This is sealed.
For $124.
90. So I'm gonna get that. It's only $5.
Oh yeah.
25% off.
Put that in the cart. Put it in the cart. Ooh, look at this antique cabinet. Ooh, I like. Except that knob. That doesn't belong in there. Oh, I like it. It's real wood. Is that open? But look at all the detail. It's original hardwood. Oh, and it has wheels on it. Now, I could display some of my Balik Willets pieces in here. That would look nice in here. $70. Oh, I like you. But I don't have room in the car. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at the iridescent on that. I wonder if it's signed. Quazelle. I wonder if the artist signed. Oh my god, it's pretty. How much is it? $75. Oh, I like it. What do you think of this, Michael?
I like it. Yep.
Look at the purple. Oh. I want to be able to ship that though. Maybe get it for myself. I have to think about it. All right, let's see what else they have in the lamp section. I'm gonna try to look for finials. That's the part that screws on the top. Those can go for some good money. Nothing special in here. Yeah. And just some light fixtures. These are all newer. Maybe not this one. It's brass. All right, well, this is our cart at the Habitat store. Got the Dorothythorpe, the art glass, and the German bowls. All right, I think we're gonna head over to the Goodwill, and we'll see you there. All right, here we are at the Goodwill. Get my cart. All right, let's see what we have in the case. Oh, we have a little troll. Ooh, a bubblegum wrapper purse. Or that looks like a wallet for $3.99. I'm gonna get that. What else do we have?
These little hand-carved.
Oh, I like those. Owl and a goose. We'll have to take those out and look at it.
$500.
All right. Let's see what we have over here. Ooh, I like this. That looks like it's hand blown. Possibly could be Blanco. Look at that for $2.99. I like the blue. It's a little cloudy, but you can just put a denture or tablet in there and they'll come out. And we're getting this. It's a wallet. That's Avon. Everything down here. Not seeing anything else.
Did you know that Goodwill, New York, New Jersey is one of the largest providers of training and
this looks like Costa Boda Snowball. Feels like crystal, but no, it's not because the lines would be going that way. Yeah, that's not Costa Boda.
Signed.
Ooh. Ooh, art glass. What is it signed?
I can't read it. 2015, $22.
Ooh, I spotted a Fenton.
Let's see.
Silver Crest. It's not marked on the bottom, but it's $7.99.
Ooh, that's a nice pink.
I forget what the pink is called. I'm definitely getting that. Even with the flowers. It goes in here. Down here we have some Pyrex bowls. They look like they've been through the dishwasher too much. For $7.99 and then $15.99. So I'm gonna have to leave you. So over here they have, looks like Fiesta ware. Oh yeah, it is. $24 for the set. You get a serving bowl and dishes. Oops. Serving bowl and dishes and cups. So we're gonna get that. Michael find. Oh, this is a hall pottery. See, isn't that pretty? I like that. See what we have over in the art. Look at this. Oh my god, it's a cat going on vacation with a cat shirt on. That's epic. Oh, it's a greeting card. Good lord. I'm gonna be laughing at that all night. Let's see what's back here. Just ladies sleeping on the couch. Oh, that one looks kind of neat. Let me put this back. Ooh, she's blowing bubble gum. Can't read that. Frank. it's $20. Never mind. All right, let's move on. Let's see what we have in the silver section. Looks like a bookend. $6.99. There's only one. Yeah, there's only one. There's some trivets. It doesn't look like the silver. No, that's definitely not. It's aluminum. Oh man. I usually find the silver here for that price. They'll sell for about 40 to 60. Down here, we're gonna look at the brass candlestick holders. Oh, it says made in England. I've never seen any of the brass made in England. It always says India. Made in India. Got more brass. Those hang on the wall. How much do they want? $7.99. I could get about $25 for that. Yeah, I can do that. All right, so this is our cart for today. We got the haul, the bubblegum wallet, all the Fiesta ware. This is my favorite find. I can't believe I found that. It's always hard to find this type of Fenton here.
I never find pottery like this.
Yeah, me either. And then the art glass bowl. All right, I think we're gonna head out. All right, well, that was fun. Our total spend for the day was about $90. Michael reminded me that this Fenton is peach crust.
Yep.
So it's worth about $45. I think that's my favorite find for today.
I know, right?
All right, we're gonna go home and try to list all these items on eBay. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.